वेलकम स्टूडेंट। आज हम देखेंगे महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड 12th केमिस्ट्री प्रैक्टिकल सॉल्यूशन और आज का हमारा एक्सपेरिमेंट है एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 8। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। So aim is to determine the enthalpy of neutralization of strong acid 0.5 molar HCl and strong base 0.5 molar NaOH. So here is the first question. The chemical reaction that absorb heat from the surrounding is said to be dash 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 and has dash 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 delta H at constant pressure, and these are the options for this question. So the correct option is option D, that is endothermic and positive. So here is the explanation for this question. We know that exothermic reaction, the reaction that evolve heat to the surrounding, is said to be exothermic reaction, and for exothermic reaction delta H has negative value. Endothermic reaction, the reaction that absorb heat from the surrounding and is said to be endothermic reaction, and for endothermic reaction delta H has positive value. So the correct option is option D. So next, the following apparatus is used to determine the enthalpy of neutralization of a given salt, and these are the options for the question. So the correct option is option B, that is calorimeter. The calorimeter is the apparatus used to determine the enthalpy of neutralization. So next, pH of soil can be controlled through, and these are the options for this question, and the correct option is option D, that is basic oxide. Basic oxides are used to control the pH of soil. So here is the explanation for this question. To increase soil alkalinity, the pH of the soil can be controlled using basic oxides. Basic oxides are compounds that react with acid to neutralize them, thereby reducing soil acidity. Some common basic oxides used to raise soil pH are calcium oxide, that is quicklime, magnesium oxide, that is magnesia, calcium hydroxide, that is slaked lime. Next, when an acid is, that is H plus, added to alkali, that is OH minus, product is, and these are the options for this question. So the correct option is option B, that is water. So here is the explanation. When an acid is added to alkali, that is OH minus ion, H plus ion is neutralized by the OH minus ion and water is formed as a product. This reaction is also called as neutralization reaction. So when H plus ion reacts with OH minus ion, it gives water. Next, short answer questions. And here is the first question. What is the enthalpy of neutralization of strong acid and strong base? And answer is, the enthalpy of neutralization of strong acid and strong base is minus 57.3 kilojoule. Neutralization reaction is an exothermic reaction. When HCl, strong acid, reacts with NaOH, it gives NaCl and water, and delta H value for this reaction is minus 57.3 kilojoule, that is 57.3 kilojoule of heat is evolved into the surrounding. So next, write the following statement as true or false. First statement is, an exothermic reaction is characterized by the positive value of delta H value. So all of you know that exothermic reactions are characterized by negative value of delta H value. Hence the first statement is false. Second, heat is evolved when an exothermic reaction occurs. So all of you know that the reaction in which heat is evolved is called as exothermic reaction. So the second statement is true. Third statement, an endothermic reaction is characterized by the positive value of delta H value. So we know that for endothermic reaction, delta H has positive sign. So the statement is true. And last one, the reaction vessel becomes hot when an endothermic reaction occurs. So all of you know that when endothermic reaction occurs, heat is absorbed by the system and the reaction vessel becomes cold. So this statement is false. This statement is false. Next, define enthalpy of neutralization. Enthalpy of neutralization is the enthalpy change when 1 mole of H plus ion of an acid is completely neutralized by 1 mole of OH minus of base, and this is known as enthalpy of neutralization. Next, why the enthalpy of neutralization of strong acid with strong base is always same? Why? And here is the answer. Due to complete dissociation of strong acid and strong base, the enthalpy of neutralization of strong acid with strong base is always same. So next, I think the questions are over. So thank you. I hope you like the video and enjoy the video. Thank you.